Welcome to our new session of GCSE Maths presented to you by Knowledge Academy. My name is Muhammad Abel Qadi, and today we're going to go through a GCSE Maths exam paper higher tier, which was done on Friday, 19th of May 2023. This is a non-calculator paper, which means you are not allowed to use a calculator while doing these exams. The first question is 8.46 divided by 0.15. And the first step to do with this type of questions is convert the divider into a whole number. And how are we going to do that? We have to multiply the divider by 100 to shift this decimal point 2 places to the right. So the answer will be 15. And because we've multiplied the divider by 100, we also need to multiply the number that we are dividing by 100. So this will be 846. And now we can do a long division, and the divider will always be on the outside, and the number being divided will always be on the inside. 846 divided by 15. So 15 goes into 8. We can't do that. We have to go to the next number. 15 goes to 84 5 times. 5 times 15 is 75. The difference 84 minus 75, that is 9. 15 goes into 9. We can't do that, so we have to bring the 6 down. 15 goes into 96 6 times, and 6 times 15 is 90, and the difference is 6. 15 goes into 6. We can't do that, so we have to put a decimal point here and put a 0 here. 15 goes into 60 4 times, so 4 times 15 is 60, and the difference is 0. So 846 divided by 15, the answer will be 56.4, and this is the same as 8.46 divided by 0.15. The final answer is 56.4 fractions. Our next question is about subtracting mixed numbers. So 7 3 over 8 minus 2 1 over 2. So our first step is to convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So 7 3 over 8, this will be 8 times 7, this is 56, plus 3, which is 59. So 59 over 8. 2 1 over 2, this will be 2 times 2, this is 4, plus 1 is 5, so it's 5 over 2. So this will be 59 over 8 minus 5 over 2. Now we are working with improper fractions, so we can only add or subtract fractions that have a common denominator. So these two fractions have different denominators, 8 and 2. So we need to find a common denominator. So we can change this 5 over 2 to 5 over 2, change it to something over 8. So from 2 to 8, we multiply that by 4. So we need to multiply that by 4 as well. So 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 over 2 is the same as 20 over 8. Now we can subtract these improper fractions. So 59 over 8 minus 20 over 8. Now let's subtract the numerators. 59 minus 20, this is 39 over 8. So this is a improper fraction, so we need to convert it back into mixed number. So 39 divided by 8, this will be 4. So 4 times 8 is 32. 39 minus 32, that's 7, and then over 8. So our final answer is 4 7 over 8. Question 3 is about the surface area of a cube. So we are told a cube has a total surface area of 150 square centimeters. We are asked to find the volume of the cube. So we know a cube has 6 equal sides. 6 equal sides. So to find the surface area of one of the sides, we take 150 square centimeters divided by 6, and this will give us 25 square centimeters. So one of the side has a total surface area of 25 square centimeters. So we know in a cube all the lengths are equal. So in order to find the length of one of the sides, we have to find out the square root of 25 square centimeters, which is 5. So each of the side is 5 centimeters. So to find the volume is length times width times height. So in the case of a cube, all these are the same. So this will be 5 times 5 times 5, which will be equal to 125. And because it's a cube, so this will be 125 cubic centimeters. So the answer will be 125 cubic centimeters. Our next question is question 4, which is about the frequency polygon. And the question says the table shows information about the daily rainfall in a town for 60 days. So we have a table here. On the left, it shows the amount of rain in millimeters, and we are given ranges. And on the right, we have the frequency, the number of days the amount of rain has rained for. So we are told to draw a frequency polygon for this information. So you can see on the right we have the frequency as whole numbers, but on the left we have the amount of rainfall in millimeters by ranges. So the first thing to do is to find the midpoints of these ranges. So how can we do this is to add the two numbers together and divide by 2. So here we have 0 plus 5 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. And 5 plus 10 is 15, divided by 2 is 7.5. 10 plus 15 is 25, divided by 2 is 12.5. 15 plus 20 is 35, divided by 2 is 17.5. 20 plus 25 is 45, divided by 2 is 22.5. The next thing we have to make sure is we need to check the graph and check the scales, and to make sure we know what the scales are. So for our y-axis from 0 to 10, we have 10 squares. So for each square is 1. And for our x-axis, we have 0 to 5, and we have 10 squares. And for each square is a half, or 0.5. And now we can plot the graph very clearly. So the amount of rain, which is a rainfall 2.5, so will be somewhere here, and the frequency, that will be 8. So 2.5 will be here, and we have to go all the way to 8, so the point will be there. Our next one is 7.5, and which is somewhere here, and the frequency is 24. So we have to go all the way up, 21 and 22, 23, 24. That will be there. So our next one is 12.5, and that is 13. 12.5 will be here, and 13 will be there. So our next one is 17.5, and that will be 11. 17.5 will be here, and we have to go all the way up to 11, and it will be somewhere there. Our next one is 22.5, which will be here, and we have to go all the way up to 4, which will be somewhere here. The next step is to join all these points together in a straight line using a ruler. So we have there, and we have there, and join that to there and that to there. As you can see, I'm not using a ruler, so what you need to do is to use a ruler and draw straight lines. And this is our frequency polygon.